Greetings Sanbonani Dumelang. I'm back with another video where we're carrying on with the basic conditions of employment. I know in the two previous videos we dealt with the grievances and the notice for disciplinary hearing, because I thought those ones were a bit urgent, so we needed to deal with those ones, address those ones as quickly as possible. So now we go back to the basic conditions of employment. We're still dealing with the leave as per the basic conditions of employment. So right now we're going to be dealing with the maternity leave. In terms of section 187 subsection 1E of the Labour Relations Act 1995, the dismissal of an employee on account of her pregnancy, intended pregnancy, or any reason related to a pregnancy is automatically unfair. The definition of a dismissal in section 186 of the Labour Relations Act 1995 includes the refusal to allow